What's up, guys? Just James here. I'm going to show y'all a pretty cool product that the ladies of Rollga sent to me. They sent me four different ones. Two of the larger ones to kind of foam roll the bigger body parts out, and then some small ones you can do a little kind of pinpointing. I go ahead and take a video showing you kind of different ways you can do it. I did an arm workout and just finished up some cardio, so I am going to roll my legs and some of my arm, shoulder, just kind of show you how to use these things. Like I said, you can do some pinpointing. You got little rough edges in there, and more smooth rounded side on the outside, and roll it. Go ahead and check these out. They have different sections, so you can, depending on which body part you're doing, they actually have numbers for these. Come with the instructions you can check out. And if you like some fanciness, they're different strengths. One's probably a little more rugged one, sturdier, get deeper in there. But you have a really tight spot, just kind of slowly work over it. Feels really good. Just a sample of what you can do with this. There's all kinds of things you can do with it. Don't forget to check out the peeps over at Rollga. Thank you for sending me these samples to check out. And I'll post links and tag their account below. Check them out. Let me know what you think.